Hey guys, it's me, Second Master 1415 again, and I gotta do this video real quick because I got low battery. So this is the bike check. I won't make it long. I'll just say the parts that are not stock. Let's start with the wheels. Front wheel is a specialized summer one. Back wheel is a Maxxis winter one. My extra tube, scotchy taped it, instead it gives less weight with this toolkit. So S&P extra bike seat protection from my frame so it doesn't break while going down. The chain goes like so protection for the frame. These are Candy 2s. Yep, Candy 2s in white. Surface grips just like my back seat bag. The Scott Pilot 18 comp thing in the front, and SRAM X7 rear gear change because the X9 from SRAM as well broke on me, and I prefer the X9 because these are the X9. No, this X9 don't have a thing, but the X7 do show you what you have here, so that's what I had. And yeah, basically it. Nothing more to say. I'll be uploading more videos today, so comment, subscribe, like, rate. Thank you for watching.